Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. So in this video again there is going to be an haul video. This is an huge amazing haul video. These products are something which is very amazing and interesting, and let me tell you why. Because there are so many offers going on Amazon, so you should highly go and check these products out, and you should buy it for yourself. You can give this to anyone because this is so cheap and so nice products, right? So I'll be telling you what I have bought, and all the links will be given in the description below, so you can check that out and you can buy it for yourself. So I have so many products. As you can see, I have my products has been arrived and I love all of them, and I'll show you one by one. Okay, so let's get started. So first I'll show you my molds which I have got. This is the molds. This is the footwear which I have got. This is from the toothwear. This is written fashion and accessories. This is from by LA Walk. So the first product I'll show you is this one. इतनी अच्छी इसकी पैकेजिंग है, nice packaging, which I've got this for myself, and you can see the looks. This is a very nice textured leather and as a shiny and some golden detail going on, as you can see, and this is how it looks. This is very nice and flat. I always wanted something flat molds and which is tan in color. This color is tan in color, you can see. Very nice, very comfortable, and if you are looking for such molds, you should definitely go for it. Little bit pointed. Look, this is how it looks. Yeah. Okay. अच्छी है. बहुत अच्छी है. Spell करो. So my second product is this one. This is wow, this is such an amazing product. Actually, this is a makeup brush which I got, and if you will see is this rupees. Actually the price was rupees 400 for that molds, and this is rupees 199 for this brush. Price will be in the description box or on the screen somewhere else. This is how the makeup brush looks. This is very nice. Now let me show you the quality. Amazing quality, I must say. Look, this is how this looks. This makeup brush looks. It comes with this 10 brush, which is a mermaid brush, which is pastel color blue and purple, and has an amazing quality. You can see, which is rose gold from the top. Eyeshadow brush, highlighter brush, very nice blending brush, I must say. This one, this is very nice, amazing blending brush. And this is also one nice amazing blending brush. And this is also very nice. This is also so small, nice to give a nice texture, inner corners. This was my second product, and all the purchase link will be in the description box below if you want to check this out. This is very nice purchase, I must say. इसकी डिलीवरी 80 रुपीज़ मुझे लगी है, but then too this is worth of paying. Okay, this was my second product. Now let's come to the third one. This one is the goggle which I got just for rupees 200. I was searching for little bit cheaper one because I don't use goggles. Then too I've ordered this was of rupees 200. All the brands and the link will be in the description below. You can check that out. This is how this looks. Okay, this is actually not a glass, this is plastic material, but this was of 200 rupees, जो कि मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगी, but that's okay. मुंतक को चाहिए ये? It comes with this box. So the third product is this one. So the next product is this one. It comes with a very nice packaging and stuff. This was my second purchase. I've already ordered this one before, and I ordered this one to gift to someone. हर की smell चाहिए. Wow, this is an amazing palette, I must say. This is actually written, it's a color board. eyeshadow, and this is a Huda Girl, and it comes with this 4 different shades, which pastel colors and all of them. I'm not going to open this up. This MRP has been 1500, but I got this for rupees 400. 400 में 4 eyeshadow palette, which is an amazing quality. You must go for it. Very good, nice quality, nice purchase. My other product is one of my favorite skincare brand, which is O3 Plus. This is my amazing and most favorable skincare brand, which is an O3 Plus. This is a professional range, but you can obviously घर में आप इसको कर सकते हैं और बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल रिज़ल्ट आएगा जब से। और इसकी जो MRP है ये 550 है, हमको ऑफ़र में नहीं मिलता कहीं पे, बट अमेज़ॉन पे हमको बहुत ही इजीली ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स, अच्छे अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाते हैं। इसमें कुछ भी ऑफ़र नहीं था, बट ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज़ वेरी अमेजिंग ब्लीच। अगर आप घर पे कोई भी चीप ब्लीच करते हो, उसकी ब्लीच बहुत जल्दी उतर जाती है, बट जब आप ये वाली ब्लीच करेंगे ना, तो आपको आपकी स्किन पे ये 1 महीना टिकी हुई रहेगी। और ये बहुत ही अच्छा ब्रांड है। दिस इज़ एक्चुअली दिस इज़ अ जेल ब्लीच विथ विटामिन C, सो आई मस्ट से यू हैव टू ट्राई दिस वंस। एक बार ये डब्बा परचेस कर लो, 550 रुपये का है भले, बट आपको बहुत अच्छा चलेगा, आपको ये साल भर चल जाएगा। दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स एंड दिस इज़ वॉल ऑट इट सेज। आई हैव ऑलरेडी शोन यू। दिस वन इज़ अ फिट मी compact, which is in the shade 128 warm nude, and this is a very amazing compact for a daily use. This soaks your oil for 12 hours, and this will give you a very mattify finish. I love this product. I love this Maybelline brand, a very affordable brand, and it comes like this. This is a warm nude color. I love this, so I bought this for myself, for my daily use, for my daily purpose. Very nice color, very nice texture, and a very nice compact for daily use. My other product is this facial kit. I was searching for a good facial kit, and there was some offer going on in this, so I purchased this. This is a Lotus Radiant Diamond Cellular Facial Kit, which retails for 325. I got this for 270 rupees, and इसके साथ 4 पाउचेस आते हैं अलग अलग. So very nice purchase. This is something new. This is very 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 interesting stuff, I must tell you. If you are not into any kind of chemicals and peels, you should definitely try this out. This is a salicylic acid. This is salicylic acid 2%, which is a very amazing brand, Minimalist, which is going on. This is very close to the Ordinary brand, which is a foreign brand, but this Minimalist is an Indian brand, and it is amazing. This serum is for acne, blackheads, and open pores. Reduces excess sebum and bumps. इसकी पूरी मैं डिटेल वीडियो करूँगी अलग से इंशाल्लाह on my channel, so stay tuned for that. अब तक के लिए just I am showing you the haul, I am showing you the stuff, and I'll be doing a very soon video on this once I'll use this and I'll get a good response with this product. Okay, so if you want to try this out, please go and buy this. I'm very sure that ये अच्छा ही product है. Okay. Then what I have, this I have already shown you on my previous video. The last product which I received is this one. This is the flip flop for my husband. This is grey and very orangish shade. This is a very nice flip flop which is in a size 10 and 44. और ये मुझे मिली थी 170 rupees I guess, and a very nice quality, Flight brand, very light in weight. It comes with this box. I hope you like my purchase. I hope you like my video. If you want to try any of the product, link will be in the description box below. If you like, please give a hit a like button guys. Please share. सबको इतने अच्छे ऑफर्स के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. Help me and share this video as much as you can in your friends and family, and do check all of the product out. So thanks for watching my video and subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, go and see all of my other videos on my channel. Till then, take care. Bye.